Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a turkey inspired by Beanie Boos. So let's get started. To draw this cute turkey, we're going to first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a really big circle. Because Beanie Boos have huge eyes, right? So one big circle, I'm going to come right next to it, about right there. Just leaving enough room for a beak in the center. And draw another circle. And today my circles are wobbly. But it's an easy fix with Draw So Cute eyes, right? I'll just make it bigger. Okay, so from there, let's make them Draw So Cute eyes. And I'm going to come in here and draw two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. So thank you for all the love over the years, for all the Beanie Boo drawings I've done so far. So if you love them, please make sure to check out my Beanie Boos, Draw So Cute Beanie Boos playlist. And the lines at the bottom. So same thing over here. So two small circles and a curved line at the bottom. And the lines at the bottom. And since that eye is so big, because I made a boo-boo, I'm going to make this one big as well. So I'm just going to come on the edge right here and make it bigger. There. Okay, this is bigger than I intended, but that's okay. So then let's come in between the eyes, and I'm going to draw a curve right about here, really close to the eye. I'm going to draw a curve. Right there, we're going to start the beak. So then let's round this off. And let's bring it down with a deeper curve towards the center and then come back up. And then right here, we're going to add another curve and up. So it just separates the beak. There. Let's round this off a little bit, I think. Looks better rounder. And I'm going to come above the eye and just draw a little curve above each eye. And then of course we have to draw the waddle. That makes it a turkey. So right underneath this beak, let's go ahead. I'm going to start, say right here, right under the beak. I'm going to draw a curve. And it's going to curve out like a little worm. So this one's going to come right here. I'm going to follow. And then right here, I'm going to go draw a curve, comes down, and it's going to go up, and then this side is just going to finish and come in. There, we've got our waddle in. Just going to round it off more. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the face. Let's come back to where we drew the eye. So about right here, I'm going to come out, say about this much. And I'm just going to start to draw the dumpling shape that I usually give to all my Draw So Cute characters. So same thing over here. So about this much, just like the other side. And we're going to start off with a curve that goes around the eye. So from there, let's start to go up. I'm going to bring this up. I'm just going to go back and forth so it's a little bit easier on my hands. And so this is my center. So about right here is going to be my highest point. I'm just going to be aware of that. And let's bring it around. So about right here is my highest point. And then bring it down. There. Okay, so then from there we can start to finish the bottom. So let's come in. So it's all up to you. You can draw the face first and then put in the eyes, whatever you're more comfortable with. So I'm going to bring this in, and it's going to come about right here. So this curve is going to start to come in about right there. We don't want it too long to just make it a little bit cuter. So we're going to shorten the face and go ahead and connect it. From there, let's draw the body. So I'm going to center the body. So about right here and here, 2 points. And I'm going to start to bring this down. And make my turkey nice and fluffy. So about right here, I'll start to bring it in. And I'm going to connect it at the bottom. So it's a little bit more flat at the bottom. And connect. Then from there, let's come over here and we're going to draw the wings. So it's come out about right there. And I'm just going to bring a curve down to about right there, round off the tip and bring it in. So same thing over here. So going to come down. I'm just going to drag this point across so I know approximately. Say about right there. Come to my point right there and go up. So we have those in. Now the feet. So right here, I'm going to center it. So I'm going to draw 2 points right here. And let's come up about right here and we're going to start the feet. So I'm going to come out and make 3 curves and connect it. So same thing over here. 1, 2, and 3 wobbles. Okay, so then from there, I'm going to just give an indication of the back tail wings, back tail feathers. So about right here, let's just draw a curve. And another one, a little bit bigger, and then tucks in. So same thing over here. 1, and then a bigger one, and then just tuck in another one. There. And then let's see, we can draw some curves right here just for indication of feathers. So it's maybe here we're just gonna draw 3, 2, 3 lightly. Any bigger ones right here. And of course I have to add a heart right here to make it my Draw So Cute turkey from Beanie Boos. So there, hope you love how this cute turkey turned out and inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.